Humans have been eating fish since the beginning of mankind, a vital source of energy and great nutrition. Having a limited ability to catch food also meant no overfishing. The fish and marine animals were caught in a sustainable fashion, making it possible for the animals to reproduce before going extinct. This all changed when the Industrial Revolution all of a sudden began to mass produce products and food for humankind, and the global population increased from less than 500,000 to over 7 billion in less than 500 years. Mass producing food from the ocean began to deplete fish from all portions around the world. This has led to overfishing, and we're getting close to a catastrophe as we overuse our resources. The human population will increase, and we're now experiencing what's called an overshoot, which means that we're consuming more resources than the ocean and the earth has time to reproduce. And if we're not careful, the population will collapse. But we can live sustainably, and we can work together with nature in harmony. The problem is that we're not doing it right now, and if we're not, then we're going to deplete more and more and more of the ocean's marine animals. We are now far outmatching the ocean's ability to renew the number of fish we consume. The problem of overfishing is not a problem that will happen in the future, it's happening right now. If overfishing does not stop, it's calculated that the world will run out of seafood in 2048. Nearly 80% of the world's fisheries are already fully exploited, overexploited, depleted, or in a state of collapse. Worldwide, 90% of the stocks of large predatory fish, such as sharks, tuna, marlin, and swordfish, are already gone. So what can we do about this? What is the solution that we can use to change this bad trend? On a political level, we can use safe catch limits, controlling bycatch, and use protection of pristine and important habitats, and use monitoring and enforcement to make sure the environment stays safe. So what can you do? You can buy seafood from sustainable sources. You can find guides on it at wwf.panda.org. You can also stay informed and read up a bit on the issues of overfishing, since this is a global problem and every local situation is different. Also, know what you eat. If you eat fish, make sure you know what you eat and pick the ones with the lowest impact. Lastly, spread the word, let your voice be heard, and let this be a change for the future. Time is ticking.